In today's video, I will walk you through how to isolate specific colors in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want to follow along, you can open CapCut on your PC by visiting the official CapCut website or launching the desktop application where all the editing and color adjustment tools are available inside the main editing workspace. Isolating specific colors is a popular editing effect that helps certain colors stand out while other parts of the video become muted or desaturated, creating a more cinematic and stylized look. To begin, highlight the clip you want to edit in your timeline so the adjustment controls become available. Once the clip is selected, move to the Adjust section in the editing panel. This area contains tools for controlling brightness, contrast, saturation, and more advanced color settings that affect the overall appearance of your footage. Inside the Adjust section, locate and open HSL, which stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. This feature is important because it allows you to edit individual colors separately instead of changing the entire video at once, giving you much more precise control over the final result. After opening the HSL settings, you will see several different color channels available. Click on the specific color you want to adjust. For example, if you want red objects in the scene to remain colorful while other colors become muted, you can lower the saturation of the remaining color channels individually. To completely remove a color from the footage, drag the saturation slider down to -100 for that color range. This removes the color information and turns that part of the image into grayscale, while the remaining colors stay visible. As you continue adjusting the different color channels, you will notice the mood and focus of the scene begin to change, making the isolated colors stand out much more strongly. You can repeat the process for multiple colors depending on the exact style you want to create. In some situations, softer adjustments create a cleaner and more natural result, while stronger settings produce a more dramatic and stylized effect. It also helps to preview the footage while editing, so you can see how lighting, shadows, and movement affect the isolated colors throughout the clip. This technique works especially well when the original footage already has strong color contrast, because the selected colors become even more noticeable on screen. And that is how to isolate specific colors in CapCut PC using the HSL adjustment tools to create clean and visually striking color-focused effects.